Which wave lies between microwaves and visible light? Options are ultraviolet, infrared, X-rays and gamma rays. The right answer option B, infrared. Next question. Which electromagnetic wave is used for medical imaging? Options are radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays and option D, X-rays. The right one option is option D, X-rays. Next question. If wavelength increases, the energy of radiation increases, decreases, remains constant, becomes zero. The right answer option B, decreases. Next question. The correct ascending order of energy is? The options are given below. The right answer option B, radio waves, microwaves, infrared and X-rays. Option B is the right. Next question. Which of the following has the lowest frequency? Microwaves, infrared rays, radio waves, X-rays. The right answer option C, radio waves is the lowest frequency. Next one. Arrange the following in increasing order of wavelength: radio waves, infrared rays and X-rays. The right answer option A, X-rays, infrared rays and radio waves. Next question. Which electromagnetic wave has the highest frequency? Options are infrared rays, microwaves, radio waves, X-rays. The right answer option D, X-rays. X-rays has the highest energy. Next question. Energy of electromagnetic radiation depends on amplitude, wavelength, frequency, speed of light. The right answer option C, frequency. Next question. LED works on the principle of photoelectric effect, thermionic emission, electroluminescence and option D, Hall effect. The right answer option C. Next question. Zener diode is mainly used as rectifier, amplifier, voltage regulator and option D, switch. The right answer option C, voltage regulator. Zener diode is mainly used as voltage regulator. Next question. A PN junction diode allows current to flow in both directions, only in forward bias, only in reverse bias, without bias. The right answer option B, only in forward bias. Next question. A semiconductor doped with pentavalent impurity is called P-type, N-type, intrinsic and option D, insulator. The right answer option B, N-type. Next question. The SI unit of resistance is ampere, volt, ohm, coulomb. The right answer option C, ohm is the SI unit of resistance. Next question. Resistance of a wire is directly proportional to area, length, temperature, voltage. The right answer option B, length. Resistance of a wire is directly proportional to length. Next question. Which of the following has the maximum resistance? The options are copper, aluminium, iron, nichrome. The right answer option D, nichrome has the maximum resistance. Next question. The resistance of an ideal conductor is? Options are 0, infinite, very high, very low. The right answer option A, 0. The resistance of an ideal conductor is 0. Next question. With increase in temperature, resistance of metals decreases, remains constant, increases and option D, becomes 0. The right answer option C, becomes 0. The right answer option C, increases. Next question. The material used for making standard resistor is? Options are copper, aluminium, iron and magnin. The right answer option D, magnin. Next question. If resistance is 0, the conductor is insulator, semiconductor, superconductor, resistor. The right answer option C, superconductor. If resistance is 0, the conductor is superconductor. Next question. The unit of resistivity is ohm, ohm per meter, ohm meter, and meter per ohm. The right answer option C, ohm meter. Next question. A fuse wire works on the principle of. Options are chemical effect of current, magnetic effect of current, heating effect of current, and option D, light effect of current. The right answer option C, heating effect of current. Next question. The SI unit of electrical energy consumed in home is. Options are joule, watt, kilowatt hour, and ampere hour. The right answer option C, kilowatt hour. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.